Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm working on a special ocean-inspired textured artwork using my DIY plaster mixture. Every time I sit down to make ocean-inspired art, it feels like I'm reconnecting with something peaceful and grounding. But today is extra special because this piece isn't just for me. It is a gift for my friend who just moved into a new apartment. She has always loved the ocean pieces I make, so I thought, why not surprise her with one for her new place? So, first things first, I'm getting my canvases ready and setting up the easel. I like to start with a base coat, kind of like priming, just to give the surface a warm tone before adding texture. For this one, I mixed up some white acrylic with a yellow brown almost golden shade and brush it across the canvas. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just a background that peeks through later. Next comes the fun part, the DIY texture mix. You'll see the ingredients pop up on the screen, but basically, it's just plaster of Paris, some white acrylic paint, glue, and a little water. The plaster gives it that body and texture. The paint slows down drying, and the glue keeps it strong and less likely to crack. At first, I added a bit too much water by accident, but that's the beauty of DIY. You can fix it by adding more plaster until it thickens back up. I want it thick and grainy, something that can hold shape but it's still easy to spread. Once the paste is ready, I spread it using my spatula onto all three canvases. I'm not going for smoothness here, I actually want it rough and uneven because that's what makes it feel alive. For the waves, I drag the plaster upwards with my sponge, and for the shore, I will dab it later with sponge to give it that grainy, sandy texture. After everything dries, it's time to paint. I bring in the sunset and horizon, blending warm golds and oranges into a purple color to capture that beautiful sunset glow. The texture really makes the paint pop. The ridges catch the light differently, so the waves look like they're actually moving across the canvas. And here's the finished set. What started as plain canvases, some plaster, and a few paints has transformed into an ocean she can put on the empty wall. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey. If you enjoyed watching this process, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It means so much to me. Until next time, keep creating, keep experimenting, and maybe make something special for someone you love too.